Welcome to Facts Info, your source for fascinating facts and enlightening information. London Bridge is a famous and historic bridge in London, England. Here are some easy and interesting facts about it. Several bridges. There have been multiple bridges named London Bridge throughout history, but the current one isn't the most famous. It's actually the one before it. Medieval bridge. The most renowned London Bridge was a medieval stone bridge built in the 12th century. It had shops and houses built on it and was a bustling place in the city. Old rhyme. The nursery rhyme, "London Bridge is falling down," isn't about the current bridge but references the various rebuilding and renovations that occurred over the centuries. New bridge. The current London Bridge was opened in 1973. It's a more modern bridge made of concrete and steel, designed to be stronger and accommodate modern traffic. Connection to the Thames. London Bridge crosses the River Thames and connects the City of London, the financial district, with Southwark. Views and landmarks. From London Bridge, you can see iconic landmarks like the Tower Bridge, the Tower of London, and the Shard skyscraper. Historical importance. The bridge has played a significant role in London's history, from being a key crossing point to witnessing historical events and changes in the city over the centuries. Previous bridges. Throughout history, different versions of London Bridge have existed, with some being destroyed by fires, natural disasters, or replaced due to aging structures. Traffic and pedestrians. It's a busy bridge used by both vehicles and pedestrians. Many people cross it daily to get to work, visit attractions, or enjoy the views. Night illumination. The current London Bridge is illuminated at night, creating a beautiful sight along the River Thames. Engineering feats. The construction of the newer London Bridge involved impressive engineering techniques, as it was assembled in sections and then floated down the Thames before being lifted into place. Symbolism. London Bridge represents not just a physical link between two parts of the city but also symbolizes the resilience and growth of London through its rich history. Tourist attraction. While not as famous as some other bridges in London, it still attracts tourists who want to see a piece of the city's history and enjoy the views of the Thames. Maintenance and upkeep. Regular maintenance and inspections are carried out to ensure the bridge remains safe and functional for everyone who uses it. Ever-evolving cityscape. London Bridge continues to be a part of the changing skyline and urban development of London, adapting to the city's needs and growth. London Bridge has a long and fascinating history, serving as a vital connection and witnessing the changes in one of the world's most iconic cities. Please subscribe the channel, like and share the video. Thanks for watching the video.